It's hot out here.
Yeah. Well, let's do something fun to get our mind off of the heat.
Like what?
Woo!
What's the problem?
The problem? Do you have eyes? She's stuck.
Oh.
I
Ow.
want to.
Oh, get out.
Please, can I help?
Fine, but you can't interrupt going in my room.
All right.
Alright, let's go.
I can push it over with my feet. Ugh. Oh, I'm so sweaty. Oh, I'm sorry, Bookie. That's all I could do. Help. Oh,
That didn't hurt a thing.
it's your grass type. Now get out of here. Guys, now that we're done with our adventures, you know what to do. Bye. We will freaking see you later.
She's a mad scientist.
I'm gonna jump again because I'm retarded.
Yeah, me too.
Why? What? Why? Why would you do that? Ice cream, pancakes, waffles. I don't even know.